So the Costway mini washing machine, we just used the spin dryer and the timer just finished. I guess it was 5 minutes. Let's see how it is. And no way. Oh my God. Yo, there's no way, yo. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but this is like damp. Look, feel it. It doesn't feel, it feels almost dry. Let's see, okay. This feels also damp also. This is gonna dry quick. Okay. No, there's the issue. It's not really an issue, but I do have a lot of stuff in here, but it's still.
For just 5 minutes?
No, certain things. This is still actually, this is good. This one's still moist. And that's still fine too. Yeah, these are fine. It's just really this one that's wet. Okay, here.
So put that
Take
on
this
the
out the
very
way.
top.
Excuse
Oh,
me. Sorry.
yeah. Smart.
Thank you, my assistant. Top of the line. Her name is Liz. It's my sister.